Full sun is a lie, at least down here in Zone 8A. If you ever bought a plant tag that said full sun and then watched the same plant struggle in July, this video is for you. It's your boy, Director Chill Hills, Homestead, Zone 8A. I think it's time we stop pretending that full sun means the same thing everywhere. I'm here in Zone 8A in North Georgia, and during the summer, we're seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, sometimes over 100 degrees, with humidity that makes it feel even hotter. That is not the same kind of full sun that someone gets in places further north. When plant tags say full sun, they're actually talking about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, but they don't tell you that the intensity of the sunlight changes dramatically depending on where you live. Now, if you live in the northern US or southern Canada, for my maple leaves out there, your truly hot summer may only last around 3 months, and the sun angle is different, nights cool off more, and many plants can happily soak up sunlight all day. But here in Zone 8A, by July and August, that afternoon sun can become downright brutal. Your tomatoes stop setting fruit, your peppers stall, your lettuce bolts, leaves curl, flowers drop, and plants start looking like they're waving the white flag. And a lot of you think that you're just not watering enough. Now, sometimes that is true, but a lot of the times it's simply too much heat, too much intense afternoon sun. That's why shade cloth has become one of my best tools in my garden. People hear shade cloth and think you're growing shade-loving plants. That's not just what it's for. A 30% to 40% shade cloth can reduce heat stress while still letting in plenty of light for vegetables to grow. You're not taking away the sun, you're just taking away the punishment of the sun. Think about it this way. If someone locked you in the car with the windows up on a 100-degree day, you wouldn't say you still needed more sunlight. Plants have limits too. I found that protecting plants from the harsh afternoon sun often keeps them producing longer, reduces stress, and can even improve harvests during the hottest parts of the summer. So if you've been blaming yourself because the full sun plants aren't thriving, it might not be you. I know it ain't me. It might be that the plant tag was written for a complete different climate. Gardening isn't just about knowing your hardness zones. It's about understanding your local weather, your heat, your humidity, and adapting your garden to work with nature instead of fighting it. So if you're gardening in the hot summer climates like Zone 8A, don't be afraid to use shade cloth. Sometimes giving your plants a little less sun actually gives you a lot more food. I'm curious, where are you guys gardening from? Have you started using your shade cloth yet? Let me know in the comments. And for more practical tips for gardening, hydroponic grow show, fishing, chickens, like and subscribe. It is free and it really helps the channel and the algorithm. I'm waiting for all the comments that are about to come. Let's see, y'all. Full sun, lie, or nah? It's your boy, Director Chill Hills, Homestead, Zone 8A. Grow that thing. Peace.